Is the answer under or over? Get ready to decide. This frog is under the bridge. Let's try another. Over. Under. Under. Over. Over. Under. Over. Over. Under. Over. 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 Under. Hi everyone, Skye here of Skye's Workshop. Remember to check out playlists to get you to your favorite categories of videos. And remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.